Hi, I am Luisa. In the last video, you've learned all basics about embroidery. Now I'm gonna show you how to edit your design. The Getting Started video shows how to set up the B59 for embroidery. If the embroidery module is attached when the machine is switched on, embroidery mode is automatically activated. You can also access the embroidery mode from the home screen. The embroidery menu includes fonts, embroidery designs, and a personal folder for your own embroidery designs. When choosing an embroidery design, make sure it's suitable for the fabric and the project. For delicate fabrics, choose a design with fewer stitches. For heavier fabrics, you can opt for patterns with a higher stitch density. Open the desired embroidery design. The size of the embroidery, the estimated embroidery time, and the number of colors are displayed on the screen. The embroidery design can now be edited. For example, it can be scaled. To ensure optimal embroidery results, scaling is limited to ±20%. The design can also be repositioned if you want to embroider it in a specific spot, either by dragging and dropping directly on the screen or using the keys. If everything looks good, go to the Stitch Out menu. Attach the embroidery hoop. It's easier if you also raise the embroidery foot. If desired, a basting stitch can be added around the embroidery design. This provides additional stability. Start the embroidery process by pressing and holding the Start/Stop button. The machine pauses after a few stitches to cut the thread. Since this is usually unnecessary, you can disable it in the settings. The embroidery speed can be adjusted using the speed control. When using certain types of thread, such as metallic thread, it is recommended to embroider at a slightly slower speed. If you are in a hurry, you can also enable the quick function. When the thread color is finished, thread the next color and continue embroidering. If the thread breaks or the bobbin is empty, the machine stops automatically. After rethreading, use the Go to Stitch function to go back a few stitches so that there will be no gap. The app allows you to monitor the embroidery process. It sends push notifications for events such as thread changes or thread breaks. To remove the embroidery hoop, press the release lever down and pull the hoop away. It also helps to raise the presser foot. You now started your first embroidery project. You can do even more editing in the app. We also have videos for that. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe and like.